Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I'm here with a Joggles order, which is the last of my birthday presents. No, is it? No, I have a Delusions journal coming in and a stamp. But oh well, here we go. I'm here to show you. This is from Joggles. Matter of fact, I forgot what I bought. So I got the Art by Marlene, Never Stop Looking Up. It's a die cut book, and I'm not going to go through it. I'm just going to kind of show you what's in it. You get 2 sheets of each one. And it's happy birthday! It's die cuts. Pretty cool. Some are repeats that I already have. I think this came out before the other books, and I thought these were newer. But I'm okay with it. It's not like I won't use them, but I did realize there's a couple in here I didn't have. Like this girl, I've never seen her. And I don't know if it's in this one or the other one. It's about 2 of them. Little dude in that, and oh, I think it's in the next one. But there's a few in here I didn't see before. Yep, it's in this one. So this is the other one I bought. Another die cut book. There's a few in here that I ain't never seen, like, where is it? Look, this is these scales. Come on, where is the little dude? That little dude, he's so cute. I thought it was cute. See, I've seen her in one I got already, in her. Or this little dude, or the bug. So there's a few in here that I didn't realize were out there. So I'm happy with that. So that's the Art by Marlene. And then I bought these, and I think these are cool. Excuse me. They are, I don't know what I do with the paper, but they are the Quilmet Women Collection. They are made by and designed by, I want to say Elizabeth St. Clair. I don't know what I did with my paper, I tell you. Oh, it's right here. Not St. Clair. My bad. Hang on. Elizabeth St. Hilary. Elizabeth St. Hilary. And you get 4. I wish they would just been a little bit bigger, but I'm okay with that because I think they're cool. I can't wait to use them. So this is one design. Here's the other one. And here's this one. I don't get the neck on this, but oh well. It's kind of like, yeah, I'm here. And then there's this one. I thought they were neat. I just wish they were maybe an 8 by 10 a little bit. But they're supposed to be like 5 by 7. But they don't. But you know what I realized coming to this stuff? That's the packaging, not the stencil. Just like I bought these Diana Wakely round stencils. I thought they'd be bigger. I thought they'd be a little bit bigger. I mean, they're smaller than my hand. But I got 2 of the 4 I think she has out. Got this one. And then this one. I don't know if I'll get the other 2 because I'm kind of like, thought they'd be bigger. Excuse me. And I got some collage paper. And we get 20 of them. And you get 2 of each sheet. I think these have been out a while. And I got this set as well. And that's what's in the package. Now these are new. I don't know how long these been out, but they're transparencies. They're like a plastic. And this is the designs. You get 2 of each sheet. I'm going to have to talk to Teresa a little bit more about how you use them. I also picked up this pack. I kind of was like, oh, now that I got it, I realized I thought there'd be more images like this, and here it was only this. This was 3 o'clock buying in the morning. Bad combo, because I was like, what did I buy? You know, I had birthday money sitting there, so I went late night shopping, half asleep. Not a good idea. But at least I bought stuff I could use. I just wish I wouldn't have got this set because you only get 2 of them. I mean, them are cool, but I don't know what I do with the squares, so we'll figure that one out. but I will use them. Then I have like the other collage sheets where it's more faces, and I'm like, where did I put it? Where did I put it? I couldn't find it. Then it just dawned on me a little while ago. It's in my art journal in my other journal I finished. In the envelope that's the beginning of the Delusion journal. Yeah, that's where I put them, so I won't forget where they are. Guess what? I forgot where they were until now. Just dawned on me. So this is my Joggles order. I think I did pretty good. My birthday mini. I got like another Delusion journal coming in. That's the rest of it. And I probably just won't share that. But these are, I'm excited about these. I can't wait to check these out. I know I will find a video because I guarantee she has one. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody.